Hey, 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 the old bartending Caddyman is back again. This right here is something that after you do this, you're going to love the old Caddyman. If you're like Angie and I, we have tried every sweet and sour known to man. Can't find one we like. One tastes one way, one's another way, one blah, 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 blah. Can't find a good one. So what do? We decide to make our own. Yeah, and I'm going to give you the recipe. So, this is a very hard recipe. There's 4 items. Each one takes a cup. I'm going to mix these up with a cup of water. You notice how precisely I did that? A cup of lime juice. A cup of lemon juice. And the old-fashioned cup of sugar. Now, after I pour this in, what we're going to do is you need to take it over to the stove and you're going to cook it until the sugar is all melted. Now, it takes about an average of about 4 minutes. So, also, if you have a person who is on a low sugar diet, you can only use a half a cup of sugar if needed. Okay? So, I'm going to take this over. Heat it. Wasn't that quick? Was that the fastest 4 minutes you've ever seen? Okay, now, the good thing about this is if you're having a little get together and if everyone gets so happy that no one should drop, which I'm telling you can happen, you can use 14 ounces of simple syrup to make this instead of using the sugar. The good thing about this recipe is it only costs about $1.25 to make it. Okay, so then I need to pour this in my bottle without spilling it, which I always do. Okay? Yummy, yummy. You know, it wouldn't be a Caddyman video if the Caddyman didn't spill it. Right? Right. Okay, now, Caddyman is going to now show you how to use the simple, fresh, sweet, and sour mix. You know what he's going to do? He's going to make a Tequila Gimlet. And you say, why is it not a vodka gimlet? Well, you know why? Because tequila is so much better for you. And we love tequila. And it's quicker, if you know what I mean. So, this right here is a very hard recipe. Also, you're going to use exactly 2 ounces of tequila. I've already got my ice in there, and as you know, the Caddyman always makes sure he hits it pretty hard. And then an ounce of the sweet and sour we just made. And then my favorite, shake them up. Oh yeah. Pour it in your nice martini glass. Did I get that right to the top? Pretty good, huh?
Where's mine?
What? What? Don't listen to that. This one's for me. Maybe next time you get part of it. We can share, baby. We can share. Cheers, everyone. Also, come by and see the old Caddyman and drive. Don't fly. Come see me soon. The deals are great. Bye now.